All right, so we're back to find the t-star for a 99. Let's just draw it over here. 99%. We'll draw a little curve. Remember, 99% is in the middle, and all of our calculators with inverse t want us to use the area to the left. So I'll get my calculator out, move it over here. We'll hit second vars 4. The area I just wrote is 0.005, and then we take our smallest sample size. They were both 30, but that means I'll just choose 30. And then the DF is n minus 1, 29. Paste, write down the positive version, 2.756. And then I'm going to write over here conservative DF equals 30 minus 1, so that whoever's grading my test knows I used that version of the DF. Square root, my S's were 7.8 and 8.3, so I'll write 7.8 squared over 30 plus 8.3 squared over the other 30. Okay, now let's just type that right into the calculator as it is. Your calculator, if you write it like I wrote it, is smart enough to do order of operations. 65.2 minus 70.3, close the parentheses. I like to start with the minus, so I get my lower bound first. 2.756 times the square root of 7.8 squared over 30 plus 8.3 squared over 30. That should work. Hit enter, and we get negative 10.83 for our lower. I'll do 3 decimals, 10.831. And then I just hit second, enter, backspace, and change that minus before my t-star to a plus. That gets me my upper of 0.631, and that is my interval. All right, for the last S, I will just do my interpretation. It's very easy. We are 99% confident that the interval from negative 10.831 beats per minute to 0.631 beats per minute captures the true difference in mean pulse rates for heart surgery patients receiving beta blockers compared to those who don't. All right, then we will zoom out of this so you can see it all at once. We're still doing our same 4 steps of PASS, so hopefully at this point you're starting to get more used to it. The only thing we're adding here is that there are 2 samples, and so it just gives us a little bit different formula. Same general layout though.